Hello, friends. We are going to talk about a topic today that is very important for anybody who's using social media to promote any services or products, and they want to reach out to maximum number of people, and they also want to get maximum number of engagement. Um, the topic is how to create videos to run ads on Facebook. We all know video ads are very important. We've all heard about the statistics regarding video ads, that it is one of the most engaged form of ads when it comes to content for ads on social media. So that is what we will be discussing today: how to create video ads. Let me take you through some statistics, some data, which will tell you why video ads are so important. If you go through this infographic, I hope you can see it. This infographic says that 78% of people watch video ads online every week, and 55% of those watch every day. So 78% of all online users out of 100% is a pretty high number. It also says that 72% of customers prefer learning about a product or service through a video. Um, It further says that 81% of businesses use video in their marketing strategy. Um, and by there is a prediction also, a forecast that by 2022, 82% of all consumer internet traffic will come from online videos. So now you can see how powerful the video ads are going to be. It still is, but it is going to be further more important going forward. Um, There are other data also that you can read. And those who are creating videos or who are using videos are now making these videos typically for mobile phones, because as per the study, video consumption through mobile devices rise by 100% every year. So the growth you can see is tremendous as far as mobile viewing is concerned. 6 out of 10 people prefer watching online videos instead of television. That is again a startling fact. Um, and here's one data, one statistics that is very intriguing to me. It says viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it through video. So the ability to remember the content or the messaging of the content is 95% on a video, through a video. So great numbers, great statistics. Now the thing that comes to people's mind when they read about these statistics, when they get to know the power of video ad, is how to create video ads. Some people think that we need graphic designers, we need video ad softwares, and it is not everyone's cup of tea. But let me tell you that it is much easier today to create video ads, and there are online tools that can be used to create video ads, and it is very simple. You don't need to be an expert, or you don't need a graphic designer. All you need is knowledge of how to use the internet. You got to have a laptop, and that's it. You can create your own video. So in today's video I will take you through how a video ad is created. So let's dig in. So first of all, we will go to a website called invideo.com. That is INVIDEO.io. Sorry, it's not .com, it's .io. So when you come to this website, um, you can either log in if you have already created your username password, or sign up. When you use the sign up option, you can use your email ID, your password, and your phone number, continue, and you will be able to sign up. There are paid versions of it, and there is a free version of it. I will take you through to the free version, of course. And if you have higher need of creating more videos every month, if you work for an agency or if you run a business online and you need to have video ads very frequently, you can go for the paid version also. The only problem, it's not a problem, but the only caveat of using a free ad or the free version of in video website is that you have to be satisfied with the watermark. There will be watermark on the video. So nevertheless, we will tell you how to create the video ad, and then you can best decide what mode suits you best, the paid or free version. So I will just log in because I've already created my account. Once we log in, we come to this page. This is the dashboard, and here you can see on the top you have categories. You know what is the purpose of creating the video ad for you. You have some content, some tutorial that you can watch, um, and you have hundreds of thousands of templates, pre-made templates that you can use to create the video ad. You also have text to video. There are 50 plus themes. As you can see, you can choose any theme that you like, and then you can edit them according to your industry or your need. So we are just going to use, and then you have the blank canvas also. If you use the blank canvas, you will be able to create a video entirely with your own content as per your wish. You just have to have images that you want to use or short video shots that you want to use, and you can use this option as well. So we will be using pre-made template just to show you how the pre-made template looks. Um, there are several topics, so we are just going to search a topic. Let's say that I want to create an ad for real estate. So I'll just type real estate and hit enter. And here you can see there are many templates that can be used for a real estate ad. So let's take this template. As you can hear, there is already some music in the video, but we will tell you how to change that also if you don't like. There are three options. There is vertical vertical video that you can create. There is a square one. There is a wide 16.9. We'll be using wide 16.9 aspect ratio video today. The vertical is more suited for story, and square is more suited for Instagram or Facebook post. The wide one is good because it can be used on YouTube also. So let's click on use this template. Takes a while to load. Oh, that was quick. So now you can see that we've come to the edit video option or edit video page. Here, if you can see on the bottom, you have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. There are 4 scenes in this video. And we are just going to uh, change the video according to our requirement. If you can see, there is a logo that has already come up on top of the video. This is our logo, and I had already added this logo on the website, on InVideo website in the profile section. So whenever I make a video, this logo automatically appears on the top. All right. So now let's say we want to let's play the video once. Okay, so we have four scenes. The scene four is little bit stretched. It's a long scene. If you want, you can reduce the duration also of this scene. So all you have to do is reduce the duration so that it's not as long as it is at the moment. So we can use any other image also if we want. Let's say in this video we don't like this image, we want to use another living room image. So all you have to do, and there are actually free images on InVideo's catalog, and you can use one of their images as well. So just type living room, and you can see there are so many options. You can just select this, and this will be added to whichever scene you want to add it to. And if you don't like any of the images here, you can always go to the royalty free images that are available online, and you can take an image from there and you can upload it here. If you see, there is an upload option also. I have also uploaded a few images for one of my previous videos that I created. So similarly, you can also upload your image. You can also use any other video for any other scene. If you don't like the video of scene one, for example, you can search. I'll just type apartment, and you can search one of the other videos that can be used here. Um, Unfortunately, most of these videos that are there in their stock library are only can only be used with the paid version. As you can see, there is a watermark here, which is for only for premium customers. But there are a couple of free versions also that can be used. So this is how you can add any video to your video or any image to your video. Now you have music. Let's say you don't like the music of this video. So currently we have this music. Let's say you don't want like this music. You want to have a separate or different kind of music. So you can select genre, mood, SFX, or miscellaneous. There are four options. So I would just go to mood here, and I would use um, happy. Okay, and you can see there are so many options of happy mood uh, music, and you can select anyone that you like. This one is quite good, so you can use this one if you want. So I'll just do replace music and select yes. And now if you play your video, so you can use the music. This music has been added. Now if you want to change the text, um, for any reason you want to add some of your text, so it says spacious here, you can change this text also. So we will now move to the option on the right. If you can see, there are edit options. You can upload any font of that you like. There are already so many fonts that you can select from, and there is also the font size that can be changed. You can make it bold, you can use italics. If you click on text, this text is spacious right now. So let's say we want to add the word luxurious instead of spacious. So you can just type luxurious and save, and the word luxurious will be added. You can change the color of the text if you like. You can change the opacity. You can use animation. Right now the text is fade in. If you want, you can use other options also for the text. Okay, so you can play around with it and try and uh, check how you can make your video more attractive. All right. So once your video is ready, um, you can simply, and it will automatically be saved. If you see on the top, it says saved. Once it's ready, you can simply click download and share. When you click download and share, it will ask you whether you want to upgrade for free and export it, or you want to use the present version with the watermark. As I had said in the beginning, you will have a watermark, and the other benefit of use going for the paid option is that you can have a higher resolution video, 1080p, 1080p. The free version can give you a 720p resolution. Okay, so we'll go with the free version. We'll do export with watermark. And now the video is being rendered. Okay, we'll just wait for the render to finish or complete. Takes a bit. Okay, so now our rendering is complete. And when the rendering gets completed, you can actually play the entire video just to see how it looks. Okay, so pretty good, right? Once your video is complete and the rendering is complete, you can simply click download, and the video will then be saved in your download option. Here it is. Okay, so let's say you've downloaded a video, but you still are not very happy with how it looks, and you want to further edit it, or add some more elements because you're not fully convinced. So you can go back to edit version, and it will bring you back to the editing page. And here you can use some other elements to make your video even better. You have other templates, you have some other, you can add some text, you can add some other images. There are so many options. You can use different elements to it also. You can add a call to action button. So there are so many things you can do. One thing I would like to say, that once your video is added, that is just the first part of it. Always remember that a good video always has a good title and a good description or a post copy that goes along with it on social media. So never put a video without adding a complimentary post copy with it, because that actually increases the impact of the video. Okay, so hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any question, you can always write on the comment section. I'll try my best to answer as many questions as you can. And please subscribe to the channel so that you continue to get such tutorials which helps your business grow further. All right, so thank you very much.